Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You sign in so settings stick to your account. That's essential. Once signed in, open YouTube on desktop or the mobile app and tap your profile icon. Make sure the app or browser is updated because outdated versions hide menu items. Now select Settings from the menu. On desktop, this is under your avatar. On mobile, tap Settings, then General. These are your first actionable clicks to reach content controls and enable the filtering options you need. You now enable the filter that restricts mature content. In Settings, choose General Mobile, or at the bottom of the desktop page, find Restricted Mode. Toggle Restricted Mode on. If prompted, lock it with your Google account to prevent changes by others. Once done, refresh the page or restart the app to ensure the filter takes effect. This reduces explicit videos and comments. It isn't perfect, so understand it's a broad filter rather than an absolute block. You finish by verifying that the filter works. Search for known mature terms and confirm results are filtered. If this is for a child, lock restricted mode to your account so others can't switch it off. Make sure all devices using that account reflect the change. Sign out and back in if needed. If the filter doesn't apply, clear browser cache, update the app, or check parental controls like Family Link. These fixes resolve most sync or visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.